size it up center. Right about here. 14. 14. The usually recommended height. I usually make my shower bodies 12 and then 6 inches off for the tub spout.
Okay, and why is that?
That's all standard.
Okay.
Standard height. Usually 12 for the shower body and 6 inches, off the tub for the tub spout. But then that's customer's choice too. Some customers like it up high.
So really tall.
With a standard is 12. Biggest in the center final. You normally don't have cinder block walls.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the house. Normally, it's just sheetrock. Sheetrock and 2x4. This one seems a little more harder than for average. Gotta make sure he's got these things in right. There's a certain way. It says you gotta make sure it says up. Or just put it backwards.
That would suck.
Up. Yeah, downside. Shower up. Okay. So the thing with this particular one. Okay, so this is gonna be my wall. I gotta come out just a little like that. So when they put the sheetrock's anywhere in between the space. So when they put the sheetrock and the tile, it's nice and flat.
Okay.
Otherwise, you'll have problems getting the handles on. The handle might be either too far out or
Yeah.
too far in. You won't be able to get the handle on. So you gotta measure that accurately. Now with the tubs, with the shower, that's gonna be. I'm gonna have to chop a little more, so I have to come out and then put the pipe up like it was before. Come out for the tub spout.
So you're gonna have to make holes all through this wall?
No, just a little bit. I have to make this a little bit bigger. It's only for this particular one. See, if they would have put exactly the same one they had, I pretty much wouldn't have to do anything but just take off those adapters and drop it right back in. But this one here, single lever. You have to make the, like say this, this is your finished wall. If I was to put it back the way it was, see the way this wall's all the way back here? This would be sticking out the wall.
Yeah.
That's no good. This is supposed to be like that, flat. So that's why I have to go into it. Just have to make it a little more big.
And there's gonna be tiling in here?
Yeah, sheetrock tile.
It's amazing dust doesn't get in your eye.
Oh, maybe it does. I'm just used to it. Alright. Keep it enough. We're gonna come out. $2 go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Alright. I'm ready for the piping.